video tutorial, I'm gonna tell you about an amazing screen recorder and video editor. The name is Camtasia. Everyone can make a great looking video with the help of Camtasia. You can record anything on your computer screen. Websites, PowerPoint presentations, video calls and any other software. Just go to here, click on record, then your video will be started to record. If you want to pause it, then just go here, okay, and pause it, or you want to stop it, then stop it. You can also stop it by F10. If the video will be recorded, then it will be opened directly in Camtasia. But if you want to import your video from your computer, then go to Import Media or click this plus sign. Okay, click on here and then click on Import Media. Now your video will be imported. This is called your screen, okay, and this is called the timeline of Camtasia. If you want to play this video, then take it and drag it to the tracks, okay. This is called cursor, okay. You can see that. And now, if you want to play this video, then play it. This is a rough video without any music. Okay, now, if you want to cut your video, then you can see that there are two little boxes. One is green and second one is red. If you want to delete something from the left side, then drag this green box, okay, and if you want to drag something at the right side, then click on this box, okay. I want to cut this clip, okay, then just I have to select and click this scissors icon, okay, just click on it. And then suddenly after it, I realized that I have deleted some wrong clip. Don't worry, just go here and click it. You will get it again. Or use Ctrl Z. Okay. Now you want this clip at the end of your video. Then you have to copy it. Okay, now select the clip and click here. This icon is for copying. Just click on here and now you have to paste it. For pasting something, click on this icon. Okay. You can see that your video clip will be pasted. Now drag it and keep it at the end of your video. Now watch it. Your video clip will be adjusted at the end of your video. Okay. Now, if you want to split your video between them and want to add something, want to add some video clip or want to add some photos between two video clips, then you have to keep this cursor at the place where you want to split this. Now just keep your cursor on it and click on split, okay, this icon. You can see that your video will be splitted now, okay. If you want to add a photo between them, then click on it, import media, take the photo, okay. You can add many videos, many images, you can add any audio, okay. Now you just take it and drag it. Okay. Drag it between two video clips. Now watch it. Okay. The photo is added here. Okay, now go to library. You can see that here are many icons. You can use building, business, education, insurance, which you want. Just click on it and drag it. Okay. Now the most important thing is intros. What are intros? Actually, intros are different clips of your video where you can add your intros of your channel. Okay, just click on here. You can see the demo of it. Okay, just click on it. Okay. Okay, if you want to add this, then just drag it. The intro is added now. Okay, these are called elements and these are its properties. Now if you want to change the text of your intro, okay, now you can change the text from here. Just click on here and write something what you want. Okay, I will write here photography. Okay, photography. Okay, now you can see that the text will be changed. Okay, now you can see that here are many intros. You can choose any intros from them. Okay, and just click on it, see the demo of it and click it and drag it and use it. Okay, here are lower thirds. You can also use these, motion background, and the most important thing is music tracks. Here you can get many musics. Okay. Okay, now choose the music. Just click on it and see the demo. I like this music for this kind of video. Just drag it. In the pitch of music, low or high. Now listen it. Okay, we have been added the music. You can use outros. But if you don't want to use outros, you can use intros here also. Okay, click here and drag it and increase the music time. Now change the text presented by photography. Okay, and here you can write the address of your website if you have, or you can write here anything. I will write here also photography. Okay, you can see that the text is changed now. Okay, go to here and see that here are annotations. You can use this to add some text. Okay, write here anything. Write photo. And in this way you can add the text also. but I don't need this, therefore I have deleted it. If you want something, then you can use these arrows. All, abstract, basic, bold, urban. You can also use for marking these shapes. Just click it and drag it. Okay, now here is transition. What is transition? Like here. This is called transition. Okay, now I want to add this transition on this photo. Just click on it, drag it and put it on this photo. Now you can see that the transition is added. Okay, you can also use the behaviors of characters. Okay, you can also use animations, cursor effects, and also use audio effects. Okay, now we have made a beautiful video. Okay friends, I hope you will enjoy Camtasia. Now let's go and try to make a good looking and beautiful video. If you like my video, then share it and subscribe my channel.